YouTube, what's going on, man? Shaking with you, baby. But here we are. Got the nice little camera going. Feel me? It came. Got a nice little used camera from where was it? I believe it was eBay. You feel me? And I don't know why I'm sitting on the floor. And I just wanted to make this little short little video and like share with you guys the unboxing. It's an old camera, nothing crazy. But finally, after a year of saying I'm gonna get the camera, I finally got a camera. Then I got a camera off of eBay that was used. Know what I'm saying? It's an older camera. But it is what it is, know what I'm saying? We're gonna use this bad boy right here to basically I'm doing a little unboxing now while I'm making a little video. Shit, you know what I mean? But we're gonna use this camera to kick off the channel a lot more. Shout out to the guy who sold this to me on eBay. Don't even know who the hell you are. But hey, give thanks and praise. Let's see what we got here. Nice. We have this bad boy right here. Very starter. Very it's an introductory camera. I'm not into technology and all that other stuff. But we're just gonna see how the hell we use it. It is a, let me see if I can put the camera down for a quick second. This is a Canon. This is a Canon. Got the kind of camera. Canon XS40 or something like that. Canon's I don't know. Let me just show you this shit. I forgot what it's called. This is a Canon. Pretty cool. I'm kind of a little excited. Hey, this is a Canon. I believe it's an XH40 or something like this. You tech guys, will probably know a little bit more about this shit than I would. You feel me? I really don't know what exactly it is. All I know is that I gotta learn how to use it. It has this. It has the slippy thingy majingy. I'm really not camera savvy. You know what I mean? So boom. I think this is, what is this? Canon SX. I'm sorry. This is a Canon XS HS40. I saw this camera was recommended to new YouTubers who are thinking about getting a starter camera for their YouTube videos, So we got this little bad boy right here. Give thanks and praise, I don't even know how to use it. Once I figure out how to use it and turn it on and set it up and all that other good stuff, we're gonna start to get this bad boy cranking, you dig? So we're gonna turn it up. We're gonna hit 1,000 subscribers by 2020. We're gonna take over 2020 with this shit. You feel me? You dig? Word up. This looks like a nice little bad boy right here. So once I figure this shit out, which is gonna take me some time. Once again, not a tech kind of a guy, but it is what it is. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I can want more. Give thanks. Bless. I gotta figure this shit out. This Canon shit.